a new AI platform, all in one AI platform that enables you to create cinematic videos, something like this and even more. And today I'm excited to share this with you because you can literally try this for free. One of the major challenges of AI video tools is the ability to keep consistency across your scenes. This platform solves that consistency problem. I want us to explore this platform together. First, take a look at the images generated on this platform, and the results are incredibly insane. And you don't just generate your videos. The platform gives you the timeline to edit your videos. So after generating all your videos, you compile everything together and arrange it. Let's generate a video and let's see the output. So once you sign up to the platform, you receive 100 credits. Click on that plus sign, you will see video, audio, text, and then you select the one we want to use. So let's explore generator. The moment you return back to the interface, you're going to see generator, and then you will see video generation and image generation. I'm going to give a simple prompt to generate an image for us to see the quality using another model, that is Midjourney. Get realistic images like this. Awesome. So once you are done with it, just click and download. Then let's explore the skills. Now skills are already prepared on this platform, so you get one and use any one from without having to start from scratch. And they are using high models like Cadence 2.0 to create these skills for you. So get any of the templates and use it. So we are going to experiment one of the templates here for us to see how I was able to use one of the skills. So if you want to add your own skill, click on that new skill and add it. Okay, actually I'm going to add one skill here. I used ChatGPT to get all my details, and then I was able to add this. So after you've input all the information here, what I need to do is to go ahead and hit that save. Once you save, it will reflect here, and then click on all of this. You want to see everything that you've done so far. This is how this platform works. Now let's use this particular skill and generate. Now once I select that skill, I gave this simple prompt and I hit generate. Flova AI will begin to analyze this script, okay, and run the script like an agent, like you are seeing here. And remember, it's using Cadence 2.0 because that is the instruction we gave, and to generate a specific skill that is so relatable and unique for this particular prompt. All right, then you can actually access that when you have doc. Okay, that is a document, all your files are there. So this is how this platform works. It will begin to analyze it, the script, and generate you our reference character, which is the one that will be staying consistent across all the scenes. And you see all the bonuses. The moment you start generating on this platform, you will stand a chance to have platform offers. You have access to it. Now look at how beautiful and how realistic this image is. So this Flova AI was able to give me duration of my video, and then went ahead to give me the production, and then went down and give me suggestion. Do you want this is our protagonist? Okay, now what do you want to do? I want us to design the storyboard. So once I select the design the storyboard, I go ahead and send this. It will automatically start designing our storyboard. You don't have to do anything manually. All we need to do is to follow the on-screen instruction by Flova AI. It's amazing. Just look at, in no time it has designed me 5 short storyboard structure and blueprint based on my saved script. Storyboard is set. Now look at it. Just look at by your left hand side. You want to see our media. Once you open your media, you see the storyboard. Everything is going to appear here once everything is done generating. So let's go back and keep generating our storyboard. Question we are having here is, the storyboard blueprint is said, what would you like to do next? Directly render video clips. After confirming our prompt and our scenes, everything is in order, you go ahead and render the video. Now look at it, directly rendering video script using Cadence 2.0 to generate cinematic video clips for the 5 short storyboard. So it's done, and I will now launch the direct video generation process for all 5 shots in our storyboard. I'm instructing the media generator to use Cadence 2.0 to render these clips while utilizing the established protagonist character still to ensure visual consistency. So this is the beautiful part of this Flova AI. I've not seen it yet anywhere, but this agent is so smart and he understands the language and the job description, and it's to start generating the prompt shot by shot, and you wait for the next prompt. Okay, by the agent and following the screen instruction till you're able to complete entire task. Like I said, once you use the link in the description of this video, you're going to be given a free credit, 100 credits, okay, and you keep generating. Now use the link in the description and try it yourself. But once you are done generating everything, you can click that export, okay, to export the zip file of your entire video so you can unzip it and use it as a full 50 seconds video. So Flova AI was able to generate me up to 50 seconds long video. That is insane, and the consistency is mind-blowing. I mean, you can see the arrangement. So I now use the timeline to arrange all my clips if I want to arrange it manually. But if you don't want to arrange it manually, you can use that export button there and export everything to your system or to your mobile phone, or you can literally download it individually. Like, okay, if you don't want them to come in batches, then take them to your editing platform and add other material, other things you want to add, like transitions and animations and all of that, and your video is ready. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. Go and try this out, and don't forget to use the link in the description of this video so you can have your bonus. So guys, until then, see you in the next one.